Hello everyone, welcome back to today class. In previous class, we discussed some basic definition of probability. In that first one is random experiment and outcomes, sample space and sample point. Four definitions we discussed in previous class. In that very important is sample space. So based upon that one exercise is there and example problems also there. Today class will continue some examples and exercise problems. So first of all, you see the example 1. Example 1. Two coins are tossed. Two coins are tossed once. Find the sample space. Sample space we have to find. Two coins tossed. Coins tossed means results what you will get head, tail. So I'll take here let head. Head I am denoting with H. Tail. Tail denoting with capital T. Why? Because always writing is very difficult. So that's why H means head, T means tail. So sample space. Sample space means set of all outcomes. Set of all outcomes. What are the outcomes you will get if you toss a coins, two coins? So head, head you can get head, 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 tail, tail, head and tail, tail. So sample space is 4 elements you will get. Here first time 2 outcomes, second time 2 outcomes. If you do the multiplication, 4 you will get. So total outcomes is 4. The sample space is inside, separated by commas we have to write. Next, similar way, example 2. Find the sample space. Find the sample space associated with an experiment of rolling a pair of dice. Pair of dice once. 2 dice. Throwing at a time. So one time throwing a die, one die throwing means 6 elements you will get, 6 outcomes, and one more time 6 outcomes. Total 6 the 36 outcomes you will get. And here also asking find the number of elements. Find the number of elements in sample space is nothing but 36. We have to find the sample space also. So capital S is nothing but sample space, that is equal to 1, 1, 1, 2. First one 1, second one also 1. Order pace I am writing. So next 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6. This is 1 if you are getting first time, second time different numbers. Why I am writing order pairs means if you are combined writing 11, 12, 13 you will get. So clarity purpose only we are writing in order pairs. Next 2, 1 chance is there. 2, 2 up to so on 2, 6. Next similar way 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 6. 4, 1, 4, 2. So on 4, 6. Next one 5, 1, 5, 2 and so on 5, 6. 6, 1, 6, 2 and so on 6, 6. So this is the sample space of an experiment rolling a die, pair of dice once. The total number of outcomes is 36. Next, exercise 16.1. Describe the sample space for the indicated experiments. The total questions same we have to find, that is sample space. So already I wrote here total questions. Question number 1. A coin is tossed 3 times. A coin is tossed 3 times, then the sample space. So What is the sample space? The total outcomes. What are the outcomes when tossing a coin 3 times? First one head, second time, third time. 3 possibilities head is the next. I'll make here HHT, HTH, THH. Next HTT. Another one is THT, TTH. Final one 3 times tail. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes is there. So 2 into 2 into 2. So 8 outcomes. So sample space is 8. And here there is no matter for order. Instead we can write any place also. So next problem number 2 we can see here. A sample space of a die thrown 2 times. Die thrown 2 times. Example 2 also same, but 2 dice thrown there. Here 1 die 2 times. So sample space is 1 time 6 you will get, another time also 6. Total is 36. Actually no need to write this one. Just our understanding purpose only we are making this one. Next 1 comma 1 we can write 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 6. First time 1, second time different number. Next 2 comma 1 also we can write 2 comma 2, 1, 2 comma 6. 3 comma 1 you will get 3 comma 2, 1, 3 comma 6. 4 comma 1, 4 comma 2, so on 4 comma 6. Next one 5 comma 1, 5 comma 2, continuation up to 5 comma 6. Last one 6 comma 1, 6 comma 2 and 6 comma 6. So first time 6, second time 1, first time 6, second time 2. These are the possibilities of sample space throwing a die 2 times. Next problem number 3 you can see here. A coin tossed 4 times. This one is 3 times. Next one is asking 4 times. 4 times asking how many outcomes you will get? 16 outcomes you will get. Concentrate and write these answers. H, 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 4 times H. 3 times head, 1 time tail. And positions also changing here. H, head, tail, head. Head, tail, head, head. Next, tail, head, head, head. Next 2 I'll take. Head, head, tail, tail. Next one. Head, tail, head, tail. Tail, tail, head, head. Tail, head, head, tail. Tail, head, head, tail. Next, more any options for 2? Tail, head also we can write. Next one, 3 tails I'll take. Tail, tail, tail. Tail, head, tail, tail. Tail, tail, head, head, tail. Next last one, tail, 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 head. So next what we can write? 4 tails. So count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 is there. We can write here head, tail, tail, head also we can write. Total 16 outcomes. If you are counting, if any missing is there, we have to check and write that one. Next one. Problem number 4. Problem number 4. A coin is tossed, die is thrown. Coin is tossed, die is thrown. 2 is there here. sample space is coin is tossed. Coin is tossed means either head you will get or tail you will get. First I am taking head. If you get head, what we have to do? Throw a die. If you are throwing a die, 6 outcomes will be there. So h comma 1 you will get, or h comma 2, h comma 3. That is nothing but head comma 3, head comma 4, h comma 5, h comma 6. Next what we have to write? If you get tail, if you get tail also, what we have to do? Again throw a die. Tail comma 1, tail comma 2, T3, T4, T5, T6. You can observe tossing a coin, 2 outcomes, rolling a die, 6 outcomes, total 12 outcomes you will get. You can observe 6 plus 6 is 12. Next, problem number 5. Problem number 5. A coin is tossed. A coin is tossed and then die is rolled. Coin is tossed, die is rolled. Only condition is there, only case a head is shown on the coin. First of all, toss a coin. If you get head, roll a die. Otherwise, if you get tail, no need to do anything. There only we have to start our experiment. So sample space is here. If I am getting head, if I am getting head first time, so what we have to do? Roll a die. Roll a die means how many possibilities is there? 6 possibilities is there. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. These are the outcomes when head getting throwing a die. If you tail getting, if you get tail, so our experiment there only we have to stop. No need to throw a die. Next step, problem number 6. Two boys, two girls in a room X. One boy, 3 girls in a room Y. So first of all I will make it here. 6th one, in X room, 2 boys is there. I am naming as a B1, B2, and 2 girls is there, G1, G2. Next, Y room, 1 boy is there. Already 1, 2 completed. So I am writing here B3. Why? Because 1, 2 already in room X. So room Y I am taking naming as a B3. And girls 3 is there. Already 1, 2 completed. So what we have to make? 3, 4, 5. So I wrote the given data. Next, specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and then person. So first we have to select the room, after that person also. So sample space is X. If you select room X, what is the possibilities for selecting a person? B1 we can select, or B2 we can select, G1 and G2 we can select. So next, if you select room Y, B3 we can select, Y into G3 we can select, Y G4, Y G5. So this is the sample space of an experiment, selecting a room first, after that selecting a person. Next, problem number 7. One die is red color, one of that is white color, one is blue color. Place it in a bag. So I will take here a red color die as a capital R, white color as a W, and blue color as a capital B. What is the experiment here? One of die is selected at random and rolled. So that is the experiment. Its color and number on uppermost face is noted. Color we have to note and the number also. So what is the sample space is asking. Sample space is, if you get, first of all, if you select that die that may be red or white or blue. After selecting die, we have to throw a die. After selecting die, we have to throw the die. What are the outcomes? 6 outcomes. So red 1 we can get, red 2 or red 3, red 4, red 5, red 6. Similar way, we can get white 1, white 2, white 3, white 4, white 5, white 6. Next also we can get blue 1, 2 and so on up to blue 6. So this is the sample space of 7th question. Next, example 3. A boy has 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin and 5 rupee coin in his pocket. He takes out 2 coins out of his pocket, one after other. We have to find the sample space. So example 3, first one. Here 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin numbers is there. I am denoting with 1 rupee coin means O, 2 rupee coin means 2 I am taking, T I am taking, 5 rupee coin is F. We have to select 2 coins. Just we have to select the 2 coins. So we can select OT, 1 rupee and 2 rupee, 1 rupee, 5 rupee or 2 rupee, 5 rupee. Reverse also possibility, TO, FO, FT. So this is the sample space. More any possibilities is there? There is no possibilities. Next, number 2. Once again I am repeating this one. Select 2, either these 2 or these 2. First one 1 rupee, second one 2 rupee. First one 1 rupee, second one 5 rupee. First one 2 rupee, second one 5 rupee. First one 2 rupee, 1 rupee. 5 rupee, 1 rupee. 5 rupee, 2 rupee. So this is the possible outcomes. If you are writing possible outcomes inside, that is called a sample space. Next, number 2. A person noting down the number of accidents along the busy highway during the year. In 1 year, is writing number of accidents in highway. So what is the sample space? Sometimes there is no accident, 0 accident possibility is there, 1 also possibility is there, 2 also possibility is there, but sometimes 1 accident will be there in a year, sometimes 2 accidents and so on. We can't say particular number here, how many accidents will happen in the 1 year. So next, problem number 4, example number 4. A coin is tossed. If it is shows head, we draw a ball from a bag consist of 3 blue balls and 4 white balls. So I am taking here B1 blue balls, B1, B2, B3. 3 blue balls, 4 white balls, W1, W2, W3, W4. If shows a tail, throw a die. Describe the sample space of an experiment. First of all, toss a coin. If you get head, you have to take the ball from this one. So first I will use for that only. If you get head, what we have to make? We have to select the ball. How many balls is there? This many balls is there. We can take B1, we can select B2, B3 or white ball for 1, white ball 2, white ball 3 and white ball 4. Head is fixed. After getting head, this many possibilities for selecting a ball. Next, if you get a tail, you have to throw the die. We have to throw the die. Die if you are throwing, you will get the 6 outcomes. T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. So this is the required sample space. This problems is very easy, but read the question carefully. then you can write the answer very simple. You can observe question is very big but answer is in 2 lines. So read the question carefully first, then you answer it. Next, example 5. Example 5. Consider the experiment in which a coin is tossed repeatedly until head come up. Describe the sample space. You have to toss a coin until head getting. If head getting, stop the experiment. So first the chance is that first time tossing a coin. Head getting means completed the experiment. Next, first time not getting, first time tail getting, second time head getting. So we can stop the experiment. This also one possibility. Otherwise, sometimes 2 times getting tail, after that head getting. Next, 3 times getting tail, after that head getting. After how many tails head getting we can't judge here. So it will continue. 4 times tails, after that head getting. When head getting, stop the experiment. So it will continue the outcomes. Lot of outcomes you will get here. After 100 tails you can get head. After 1000 tails we can get head. Possibilities is there. So on we can write. So by this problem today class is completed. In next class we will continue the remaining problems. Thank you.